Next program is to check the number is palindrome or not. What do you mean by palindrome? Palindrome means whatever the number is given, it will remain same if I will reverse the number. Reverse the number means 121. The ones digit will become the hundreds and the hundreds will become ones. Just look at here. 1, 2, 3. Place number 1, place number 2, place number 3. So place number 3 will come at place number 1, then 2 and then 3. So what we have to do here, we just take few variables. Variable n is here to insert that number, to which I will check that number is palindrome or not. Then why I have stored the variable n into some another variable, and another variable I have denoted here num. Why I have stored it? Because at the last of the program I have to check the reverse digit with given number, but due to this while loop the value of n will get updated every single time. So I have to take original number in which I stored the original value of n, and that is num. So here I have used the same concept. We'll take while loop, and when it will run until n is not equal to 0. Just d variable will store value of num mod 10, which will gives the ones value. It means if the number is 121, then 121 mod 10 is equals to 1. Mod gives always remainder value. Next, in previous example, we have used here variable s, in which I was storing the value of d with summation of that s value, which was initialized to 0. In this program, I have to check the reverse number. So to get the reverse number, I have used here the variable rev, which is denoting reverse. So I have used here method reverse multiplied with 10 and plus d. Why I am multiplying here with 10? So that I can get the place value of that digit. So in first turn, d value is equal to 1. So what would the value of r reverse? Rev is equals to, reverse is initialized is equal to 0. 0 multiplied the 10 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So we can say that Rev is equal to 1. Then next, n divide 10, which will give its quotient value. And when I will get the quotient value, it will become 12. It is not equal to 0. So we'll go again in this loop. And we'll repeat this until I am not getting n is equal to 0. At next step, number is 12. 12 mod 10 is equal to 2. Reverse. Multiply 10 plus d. d is updated value 2 and previous reverse value was 1. This is equal to 1 to 12. And then again n divided by 10 will give quotient value is equal to 1. Again same loop will repeat because n is not equal to 0, and so on. At this step n is equal to 0, so we'll stop here. You can see that in reverse what I have, 121. So now at next step what I will do, I will check the value of reverse is equal to original number num, which I have stored from the value of n. Is reverse value is equal to num? If yes, then number is palindrome. If not, then number is not palindrome. We already checked here that reverse updated value is 121. So program has been done. One more program comes here that to print the reverse of a number. Simply if I want to print reverse of a number, I do not need to use or to check this condition. You can see here that I am getting the reverse value here. So what I will do, will use the same concept and will print this reverse value with the help of printer. Example, suppose I entered number 2345. What would be the reverse of this number? 5432.